This is a brand new 2015 Jeep Wrangler. It features a 6-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, side curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, cargo tie-downs, an anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Kendall Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram is located at 13355 Southwest 137th Avenue in Miami. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.